Hi, I'm Nat from Hobbybase, and you're here with us this week to look at what's new at Hobbybase HQ. So we've got a huge range of collections of new products to talk to you about today, but we're going to start off by looking in depth at the new Creative Expressions Festive Collection by Sue Wilson. There's a huge amount of products in the new Festive Collection. Loads of dies, from frames to backgrounds to sentiments, and I'm just going to show a few of these to you now. We've got these three to start off with, these three really cute mini expressions festive dies. So we've got Ho Ho Ho, which I just love, it's super sweet, and we've got this Happy Christmas die and From Our House to Yours, which I really loved. Sort of a sentiment very often, but really loving that. And of course these are all of amazing quality, and we know how popular Sue Wilson dies are, particularly when it comes around to the festive period. So these are all really great quality dies. And we've got these are kind of the extras, and I've kind of broken them down into a few stacks, but these are your extra elements, if you like. We've got a Christmas robin, which has 4 dies in them, and in the set, and we've got this really detailed Christmas angel, which I really like. So you can see it's got this amazing outline, which will allow you to fill that in with lots of different colours, lots of different textures. This could be a pop-up element onto your card. I'm really liking this one. And these are all high quality steel dies, as you all know. So they're going to be compatible with most die cutting machines. This one actually, this poinsettia, lots of work for our pokey tools when we come to cut those through the machine. But there's 4 separate dies there in that set. We've got a frosty snowflake corner, so that would be great for edging or for corners on your cards. And as I said, we've got 4 dies in that robin set. Then we've got these super cool backgrounds. We've got a whole host of sizes. We've got some rather large ones. So we've got this mosaic bauble background, and what I really love about this one is that there are 4 different dies in this, and it can either be an entire card with this set, or you can perhaps take the edging and use that to frame a certain one project. You've got this outer layer as well, and then the more finer detail in the middle. So as I said, this could be a whole card in itself, but it also allows you to create different projects with each element of those. So yeah, really loving that. That's the mosaic bauble background from the Festive Collection. Then we've got this lace poinsettia background, really nice detail in there. This could be great for kind of like a window card. I think we were having a go here at HQ as well with this one, creating like a shadow box card, so we're going to have a go at that, I think, later on, me and James. This is what I love. It's my favourite one out of the backgrounds. This is the Believe in the Magic, and you can see that we've got the outline of the die. We've got the die itself, which has the snowy rooftops, the trees, Santa, his sleigh, and the reindeers. But then also inside we've got this sentiment, so believe in the magic. So you can really imagine that a easel card or a pop-up card, and if you want to use that sentiment in the middle, you can. So the other ones we've got a festive frames here. We've got the Eve one, we've got the star wreath, which I really like actually. It's got that kind of thorny look to it, and lots of stars, loads of details in there. And you've got that frame and also an inner circle. So perhaps shaker card, I'm thinking there maybe, perhaps. And we've got a snowfall background, so more of your traditional backgrounds here, and a netted star background. So they're all the larger ones, and then just the smaller ones in these range here. We've got the Angelina. These are kind of like your specific elements on your card, and the overlay and ornament one. So there's a lot to that. All of those products in right now from Sue Wilson.